Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the burner cap on your stove. The reason why you'd have to do this is because the burner cap is either lost or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the stove we're going to be using for this repair. It's a Whirlpool. Keep in mind, yours at home might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same techniques should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So here's our stove top, and on each one of the burners we have a burner cap. So we're going to be replacing this one today. It's a bit old and you can see it's rusted out on some of the sides. So we're going to remove the grate that's on top of it. And to take the burner cap off, all you have to do is simply lift it straight up. We'll set the old one off to the side. So now you can grab your new OEM replacement burner cap. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And all you have to do to put the burner cap on is simply set it straight down on the burner. Just check and make sure that you got it on there straight and it's not wiggly. Then we can grab the grate, put it back on, and you're ready to cook again. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.